Welcome back to our line fan channel. Today's video we've been talking about one of the Volkswagen CEO bosses basically been replaced because he wanted the EV to be a sedan. Alright, so Volkswagen boss design replaced it over claims EV differences with CEO. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Was reportedly asked by VW brand CEOs to change the project named Tiffany flagship sedan into a crossover, rework the ID2. The story comes from Dan. I don't know how to pronounce your last name. The Volkswagen brand will have a new design chief in person of Andreas. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Starting February 1st, 2023. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Who previously had Bentley styling department will replace, I don't know how to pronounce his name, will take charge of Volkswagen brand design in 2022. Same thing, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Has been appointed as creative art director of Volkswagen and will reportedly direct to the members of the board of management of the Volkswagen brand responsible for technical development as part of his new role with the Volkswagen Group Future Center Europe and Potsdam, I don't know his name, will develop forward-looking mobility solutions for the Volkswagen brand, the automaker said in press release announcing the change. While Volkswagen did not reveal reasons behind Cabin's demotion, a report from Germany Automotive, which it potentially sheds more light on what happened behind the scenes. Citing unnamed company sources, the publications claimed that Volkswagen brand, a new CEO, Thomas Stratford, had some design differences with, I don't want to say his name. More specifically, Stratford wanted Cabin to rework the retro futuristic ID Life concept, which debuted as Volkswagen reviews of a future ID2 electric subcontract crossover at the 2021 IAA Mobile Show. So this is basically the car. He wanted it to be like a sedan, but the current CEO did not like that. Okay. Stratford reportedly wasn't happy with Cabin's restyle of the ID2. Furthermore, VW CEO was reportedly asked Cabin to change the Tiffany flagship electric sedan due to launches in 2026 and into a crossover and more popular buyer styles among EV buyers. It is not clear with Khabib opposed that, but the fact that he was eventually replaced at the helm of Volkswagen brand design department suggests he probably wasn't completely on board with it. Alright, I'm not gonna read the rest of this. That's really messed up though, because he had his own design, and Thomas basically was like, no, we don't want that. We want it to be a SUV. He wanted to be a sedan, which I can respect that, but I really feel bad that they replaced him, which I know that he will be a CEO of something else. Alright, if you like today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. Have a good day.